In this video, I will teach you two things: how to fix a corrupt game and how to remove all modifications from your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to follow each step fully till the end for the best results. I will leave a link in the description that will redirect you towards my Discord server. Go ahead and visit it. After you did that, go ahead and verify yourself, and then you can scroll down because then you will see all the channels. You'll scroll down until you see GTA Fix Crashes, and you're going to visit post number 3. By the way, we also have an installation service for anyone that's interested in picking a package. We will install it for you remotely. Going back to the channel Fix Crashes, let's go ahead and visit this link. So this is going to be the link that we're visiting. Go ahead and click on download. It's going to download it. After that, you can open it up. Double click on it and double click on it. It's going to extract it for you. You can go ahead and double click on it again to open it up. It's gonna pop up this message, but I've been using it for a long time. Of course, do it on your own risk. I'm gonna run it, wait for it to pop up. Okay, it seems that it's the first time we're starting up this tool, so let's go ahead and find our game. If you don't know where your game is, let me quickly demonstrate that. Just go to your Steam, right click on your game, click on manage, click browse local files, and then it will open up the game. As you can see, it opened up right there, and then you can just follow these steps, which is what I am going to do. And there you have it. So I have a lot of modifications. My game is not working so good anymore, so there's two things that I'm gonna do. First one is, of course, using this. Hold on. Oh, I didn't change the folder names. Let's go ahead and double click on it again. It's gonna open it up for us, and now you will see all the modifications in this game. I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything, and I'm sure I want to delete everything. For you, it might be much more modifications and the color might be red. It doesn't matter. What does matter is the next step, because yes, everything is gone, it is clean again, but you want to make sure to go ahead and get the latest files, see if anything corrupted the game by installing modifications. Just right click here on your game in Steam, go to properties, go to installed files, and click on verify game integrity. So I'm gonna wait up here and see what it says for you guys as a demonstration. And we're almost coming to an end, and I'm pretty sure there must be something wrong. I can't be 100% sure, but 98%. Let's see what it says. There you go, 14 files failed to validate, and they will be reacquired. That means that it was necessary to do this. Some of the game files was actually getting corrupted because of the modifications, or they needed to be updated. Doesn't matter what, but now it's gonna download it automatically, as you can see on the left side. So thank you all for watching, and have a great day. Don't forget to leave me some feedback. Goodbye.